All right, ATC, we're always trying to improve. We worked on our electronics this year as well. Now we offer smart TVs as one of our options. We actually brought the price down. So they're all nice Vizio smart TVs. This particular in the bedroom of the fifth wheel and bedrooms of all our bumper poles, and the typical garage TV is a nice LED 32-inch TV. In the fifth wheel, you can option a big 50-inch TV in the kitchen, also a smart TV. They do run off a 110 now, so that's why we offer the inverter option. So you can still run them off your batteries, don't have to fire the gen up to make them work. The cool thing here we want to show you is this particular in this bedroom. All you have to do is unplug these wires. This is the antenna wire. This is the pull-in. It's all set up and prepped for it. You could get a 12-volt TV if you chose not to get ours. But all I have to do here, I want to take this TV out. I want to hang out under the awning, watch the football game. So now we're just going to unplug these two wires. I'm going to take this cable line off right here. And that's just the typical, what you're used to at home. This has a nice little setup. So I just kind of push up and lift up. Now the TV is ready to take outside and we're ready to watch something. We'll go outside and we'll get it hooked up. Okay, so now we took the TV from the bedroom on this fifth wheel. I want to sit outside, have a party outside, watch the football game like we talked about. You'll see those two little slots. When you order that TV that's in the bedroom, we'll also install this bracket right here. Literally, you just pop that in. There's two bigger holes at the top. That'll pop in, kind of slide down. You want to push down, make sure it's on there nice and secure so it's not falling off. Then all I simply have to do is, this is a nice weatherproof cap. I plug in the cable line right here, or the antenna line I should say. That just ties in. I want to screw that in. Then I'll plug it in. Make sure we got power to the TV, or we have the inverter option. Plug that in. Simply now I can grab the remote. We can hang out under the awning and enjoy TV outside.